We are from Spartak Group. As you know, like we are the ones we have launched Spartak tiles when we are the pioneers in launching ceramic tiles in India. Now we have moved ahead of the times. We have our concrete floor polished floors, which we have launched for the first time in Hyderabad. And that's why in the CREDAI exhibition, we are getting a lot of inquiries for our concrete polished floors. And we are into precast construction. Have you heard about constructing your house in a week? We can construct your house in a week's time. You would just allow to give your foundation, and from our foundation we'll be able to construct your house in a week's time. So that's what we are looking at. And we have our Nacer sanitary ware brand. Our Nacer sanitary ware brand is a 60-year-old brand. So we will cater to all kind of segments in the sanitary ware. And through our precast toilet pot, this is one of the unique product which is creating a lot of inquiries in the exhibition. This toilet pot is a plug-and-play model, wherein all your plumbings, electrical conduits and all done here. Your walls, your slabs and everything is done at the factory, and it is installed as a box. You'll have to just put your electric connection, you'll have to put your just water pipe connection, and your toilet is ready to use. Mr. Madhu will explain more about the concrete floor polishing and how it is compared with other granite or our GVT tiles and other things.
My name is Madhu. I am from Spartak Group. We deal with different products in the Spartak. The products we deal is about flooring. Like Spartak is known for the name tiles. And then we brought a new technology in the flooring system. In the concrete itself, we do polishing of different colors, textures and sizes. And we also into the precast bathroom pots, precast homes. We build home in 2 weeks time. In a week time, we can finish your structures and we make sure your house is completed. Superstructure is completed in 2 weeks time, so that you get your house faster and you're hassle free. You don't require to spend a lot of time regularly how you be with other conventional method. So this is more benefit to customer point of view as well as strong and durable. And a unique product, as Mr. Suresh said, we have our toilet pots. That's a design made toilet pots which are manufactured in the factory and sent to the site and installed and finished in a day or two. It's a plug and play concept. And we have a different products like non-load bearing walls. It's an internal partition wall. It's a unique wall. On a conventional system, if you spend around 15 to 20 days to complete an X factor of a wall, the precast internal partition wall can be completed the same in 2 to 3 days. This is the fastest one with more durable and more strength and firm finish, no extra work, ready to paint, no wastage of material, no labor intensified work. So this is another product we have brought into the market, along with other precast product, drains, trenches, compound walls. And we also have, to achieve these kind of better products, we designed our own concrete that's called Spartak Concrete, a concrete design wherein which we use a concrete enhancer that can help us to bring our products the most better and unique nature. So the concrete enhancer is what we use in our concrete to make the products more firm finish, porous free, cracks free. And it helps to get more strength, which you usually get it on 28th day, you make it in a faster way. So the concrete enhancer is one of the key parameters to make our precast products more attractive, durable and strong. The CREDAI Property Show is fantastic. The people, the way they approach and the way would like to know about the products, the new things, they are very much eager to know things and also to adopt the technology. And CREDAI has done a fabulous job in arranging the resources and giving the opportunities. And in fact, the branding system of CREDAI is superb. They did a wonderful marketing strategy. They are trying to bring the maximum footfall to the show. The show was doing good.
Yeah, people who have been locked up in their houses for so long are now looking for their new houses through the CREDAI show, and people are very happy to get a lot of options. With so many options available now, people probably will love a CREDAI show after getting locked up for 2 years. Now we have so many options, and our stall is one of the star attractions in that. And we will also be able to offer their housing construction in a week to 15 days time. Thank you.